friends, so today I would like to share with you this digital wall clock. Guys, this product is 12 inches in size and it comes with an awesome LED type of display with a lot of different colors with brightness adjustments. You can switch between the 24 or the 12-hour format and a lot more, you guys. So this product comes with this remote right here where you can control all of the different settings and lighting type of effects. So another great quality of this product is that it includes a really nice LED light down here, to provide you with more illumination. Also, guys, this product, like I said before, it comes with a wide variety of different RGB colors and colorful displays. So you have up to 8 different really nice, cool display. And as well, you have the warm type of light displays. Now, guys, this product can also be adjusted as far as the brightness is concerned. You have an automatic type of adjustment as well as a manual type of adjustment. So let me show you real quick. With the button that says dimmer, you can manually adjust the different brightness levels and you have 5 different levels. Now, with the auto dimmer button, it will kind of like adjust to the lighting in the room and choose the brightness, depending on that. Also, guys, this product is very easy for you to set up the time. This is the button right here, and with the plus and minus, you can increase or decrease the, hour as well as the minutes for you to adjust it. Guys, this could be an ideal gift for any special occasions, Christmas around the corner. This is a really nice gift option, for birthdays as well, and so much more. I definitely recommend this digital wall clock, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.